Hi, Helena. Good afternoon. I really liked your post this week. I saw your video and I read through your transcript, and I really liked your suggestions of using Zoom to rectify the current video conferencing issues that Darking Rex has been having. So, as you pointed out, Rex's a primary way of connecting with its clients and potential clients is through video conference. So it makes sense for them to invest more in the video conferencing. Uh, so currently they are having a number of issues, which is resulting in increased travel, increasing travel spend, and is also impacting their customer loyalty and brand value. So when you are a company that depends on video conferencing calls to maintain relationships with your clients and attract new business, and if that is having a lot of issues, then you're not achieving your end point. And moreover, you're spending a lot of money maintaining a technology that may be ceasing to exist very soon, and you're also traveling a lot more to their clients, which again is not the purpose of what you're trying to achieve. So it honestly makes sense to just bite the bullet uh, and just make the investment of switching the software. So I like your suggestion of Zoom. I've actually used Zoom, for my current employer, and I think it's a great software. Very minimal and minor issues that you encounter. But one thing I did want to ask is, when using a software like Zoom, have you considered some of the practical issues that the company might be facing, such as what is the impact to their current IT system or to the current IT team? Do they need to increase the number of people there? What about the training aspect, and then how quickly should they be ramping over to the new technology, and all the other pertinent costs to implementation? Have you considered some of those things? Because I think it's a no-brainer to switch, but these things might cause the company to reevaluate the timing for when they should be going for the change. So, thank you.